Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where no Bluetooth device is showing in Device Manager on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now here's how we will fix this. First of all, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar. Go to Device Manager, expand the list for Bluetooth, check if you find it here. If you do not find it here, click on Bluetooth, click on Action Scan for hardware changes. Does it appear? If it does not appear, click on View and check Show Hidden Devices. Does it still appear? If it does not appear, that means that the Bluetooth adapter is not connected to your computer. If you are sure that you have it, then call the hardware technician. But if you do not have one, then here's what you can go do. You can go to Amazon or any other website, Best Buy, whatever you trust. I'll show you amazon.com and search for a Bluetooth adapter. So just search for a Bluetooth adapter. Okay, and then I'll tell you which one to buy. These smaller ones, don't buy the ones with the handle behind them. They are an overkill. Just buy these smaller ones. Okay, they're easy to use. This one, so you can use it with your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.